The compact cable safety padlock is available in 2 sizes in a variety of colors. Electrical application. To lock out a circuit breaker, place switch in the off position. Apply circuit breaker lockout device. To lock multiple circuit breaker switches at once, thread padlock cable through all circuits to be locked out. Place worker's protective tag on the device, and lock the device. To remove, unlock the device. Remove tag, padlock, and circuit breaker lockout device. The circuit breakers can now be moved to the on position. Mechanical application. Place the valve in the closed position. Insert cable padlock with worker's protective tag, and lock the device. To remove, unlock the device. Remove tag and padlock. The valve can now be moved to the open position. Brady offers multiple key chart options and safety padlocks in a variety of colors.